You slept, you rested, but you're still tired. Not just physically, mentally, emotionally, deeply drained. And you keep asking yourself, why am I always tired? In this video, we break down the psychological and neurological reasons behind constant fatigue and what your brain is trying to tell you. Tired is not just about sleep. Fatigue is not always a sleep problem. Sometimes it's a nervous system problem. Sometimes it's emotional overload. Sometimes it's mental burnout. Energy is not just physical, it's cognitive and emotional too. 1. Chronic stress is draining you. When you're constantly stressed, your body releases cortisol. Short bursts of cortisol help you act, but chronic stress keeps your body in survival mode. Survival mode consumes energy, even if you're sitting still. Your brain never fully relaxes. That creates exhaustion. 2. Your brain is overstimulated. Constant notifications, endless scrolling, multitasking, information overload. Your brain is processing far more than it was designed for. Overstimulation reduces dopamine sensitivity. When baseline dopamine drops, motivation drops. Everything feels harder. 3. Emotional suppression is heavy. Unspoken stress, unprocessed emotions, hidden frustration. Your brain keeps running background processing. That consumes mental bandwidth. Emotional weight feels like physical fatigue. 4. Decision fatigue adds up. Hundreds of micro decisions every day. What to reply, what to choose, what to prioritize. Your prefrontal cortex gets tired. When it's depleted, you feel mentally exhausted. 5. Lack of meaning drains energy. You can be busy and still feel empty. When actions feel disconnected from purpose, motivation decreases. Your brain struggles to generate drive without meaning. Signs your fatigue is mental. You feel tired even after sleeping. You crave isolation. You avoid simple tasks. You feel emotionally numb. You procrastinate more. You feel overwhelmed by small things. This is not laziness, it's overload. How to restore your energy. 1. Regulate stress daily. Deep breathing, walking, quiet time, prayer or reflection. Lower cortisol, increase recovery. 2. Reduce stimulation. Create tech-free windows. Let your dopamine reset. Boredom restores motivation. 3. Process emotions. Journal, talk, reflect honestly. Unprocessed emotion drains energy. Release restores clarity. 4. Simplify decisions. Automate small choices. Reduce unnecessary options. Protect your cognitive energy. 5. Reconnect with meaning. Ask yourself, what actually matters to me? Energy increases when direction becomes clear. Important truth. You are not weak. You are overstimulated. You are stressed. You are mentally overloaded. Fatigue is your brain asking for regulation. Signs you're recovering. You wake up clearer. You feel lighter emotionally. You complete tasks faster. You feel less reactive. You protect your energy intentionally. Energy returns when overload decreases. To summarize, constant tiredness is often mental, not physical. Chronic stress drains energy. Dopamine overstimulation lowers motivation. Emotional suppression consumes bandwidth. Simplification restores clarity. Your brain is not broken, it's exhausted, and exhaustion can be healed. If this helped you, like this video, subscribe to PsycAcademy for brain-based mental clarity tools. Comment, when do you feel most tired during the day?